Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Honda Civic front shocks. This easy method will help you get the job done efficiently and safely. First, ensure your workspace is level and secure. Always prioritize safety by using proper jack stands and wearing protective eyewear. Gather all your necessary tools beforehand, including a floor jack, socket set, and torque wrench. We'll cover everything you need to know to successfully complete this repair. Now, let's get started on removing the old shocks. Begin by loosening the lug nuts on the front wheel, then raise the vehicle and secure it with jack stands. Completely remove the wheel. Next, carefully disconnect any brake lines or ABS sensor wires attached to the shock assembly. You'll then unbolt the lower shock mount from the control arm and the upper shock mount from the chassis. This will allow the old shock to be removed. With the old shock removed, it's time to install the new one. If your new shock doesn't come with a pre-assembled spring, you'll need a spring compressor to safely transfer the old spring. Carefully install the new shock into the upper mount first, then align and bolt the lower mount to the control arm. Ensure all bolts are hand-tightened before proceeding. This step requires precision to ensure proper fitment and alignment for optimal performance. Finally, let's wrap up the installation and get your Civic back on the road. Reconnect any brake lines or ABS sensor wires you previously detached. Torque all bolts to the manufacturer's specifications. This is crucial for safety and longevity. Reinstall the wheel, lower the vehicle, and then torque the lug nuts. Take your Honda Civic for a short test drive to ensure everything feels right and there are no unusual noises. Enjoy your improved ride.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.